Ever since I started using this particular Kuu Spa Scrub last year, I've not used my cacatin in a long time. Hey there, what's up? My name is Daniela, and today I'm talking about this particular scrub called Kuu Spa Tumeric Scrub. Before I go to my experience about this particular scrub that has made me so addicted to this particular scrub, I'm going to talk about the ingredients and the claims of this particular scrub. All right, and there are some questions about this particular scrub I'm going to answer in detail, so please stick around and do not go anywhere at all. Let's go to the ingredients of this particular scrub. It has root turmeric. Turmeric is a skin healer, right? Turmeric would help to lighten your skin, brighten your skin. The effectiveness of turmeric cannot be overly emphasized. It is very, very good for the skin, no cap. It has vitamin E. Vitamin E, I spoke about vitamin E in my last video too, and I spoke about how amazing vitamin E is to the skin, how it will help you with acne scars, how it will also help you to brighten your skin, how it will help you with hyperpigmentation, how it will help you to moisturize your skin. Now this particular scrub also has milk powder in it. Now milk powder itself is lactic acid. Lactic acid, milk powder, they do the same job. Milk powder will help to cleanse your skin. Not just cleanse your skin, it will also help to brighten your skin, thereby leading to a very amazing, even toned skin. So it has milk powder, it has turmeric, it has vitamin E, and it has AHA in it. AHA is alpha hydroxy acid, which is an exfoliant to the skin. Imagine having all these ingredients in one particular product. Tell me why that product will not be a banger. Hey, my dears, this is an amazing scrub. I'm not going to even lie about it. Let's not share my experience yet, because I'm beginning to just open my mouth and expose myself. But let's talk about the claims first, because I always like to go through the claims of a particular product first. It says that makes your complexion lighter, fresher, and silky smooth, reduces facial acne and body rashes, helps reduce dark skin on the abdomen, underarms, or wherever needed, helps make the skin firmer while stimulating circulation of the blood, natural herbal aromatic scents, having a relaxing effect. Having a relaxing effect. By the way, guys, this is my second bottle of this particular scrub. I mean, when I first used the first bottle and I saw whitening, it was actually a gift for me. The first one, the person said, use this scrub, it is for your skin. I mean, that person, I cannot use something that says whitening. This does not whitening. It's not a whitening scrub. Please, let's put that in mind. It doesn't whitening. It might just lighten a bit. But when it comes to exfoliation, this particular scrub does the job for me. They said it would help to lighten your dark armpits. It has not lightened my own dark armpits. So not like I have excessive dark armpits, but I've not really seen. I've been using this thing for almost 2 years. Now this is my second bottle. I've not seen anything lightening my dark armpits yet. I've not seen it done that job. When it comes to exfoliating the skin now, let me now tell you guys why I am so much addicted to this particular scrub. This is one thing you guys need to pay attention to that a lot of people might not even know. There are some skincare products that you will use that you will get some irritations, probably eczema, stretch marks and all. Personally for me, I am prone to having eczema on my skin. I'm prone to it, right? So I have been struggling with that for years. My mom always gets me a lot of things to use, so I'm a lady, I can't be having things like that on my skin if I don't have things. So I always use things. Once I see one like this, sharp, I go and buy stuff to clear it. So now what I use is cacatin. I always have cacatin, but guys, ever since I started using this particular Kuu Spa Scrub last year, I've not used my cacatin in a long time. Yes, no doubt. I don't have eczema again. Why does this feel like a testimony? But that's the honest truth, guys. I'm not even capping, guys. Ever since I started using Kuu Spa Scrub, the turmeric one in particular, because I remember I got the rose one and I did not like the smell, so I didn't even bother using it. I just left it in the bathroom. This particular one, it has this salty smell, so I love the salty smell a lot. The fragrance is very inviting. Ever since I started using it, I don't have I don't know how to explain myself to you guys for you guys to believe me, but I'm not even having any reaction again. So now what I did was that there was a time I did not have funds around me to like repurchase another scrub. This is where you guys will know that that means not capping. I didn't have money to repurchase another scrub, then I went ahead to just, continue with my cacatin. My God, guys, I was having a lot of eczema on my tummy area. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. I was having a lot of eczema on my tummy area, and every night I would have to be using cacatin just to clear it. It took me like a while before I could purchase this one eventually, because I think what happened was that when I had the money, where I used to buy, they did not have it. So I just spent the money. I spent the money and I did not have money to repurchase it again. But I was able to get it eventually from another place, and I'm so happy. And ever since I started using this thing back, you guys can see that it seems like I've not used it. This is the new one. This is the new one. See, this is the new one. This is where it has gotten to. Ever since I started using it, I don't have reactions again. I don't have eczema again. Nothing. I am. That is why this club and I, we are going anywhere you go. We go together, hand to hand. Yes, we are moving together because there is nothing. Hey, I can't do without this scrub, oh my guys. Like, I can't do without this scrub, this scrub. Oh my god. So, like, when it comes to that aspect, I think this scrub does the magic for me. So, if you have any reaction on your body and you've not been able to clear it, or probably just have to like be buying all these little um, antibacterial creams and all that, why don't you just try to have an exfoliant like this in your skincare routine? I'm not talking about any other scrub. This is particular because I've bought one other scrub like that did not even work for me. It was giving me reactions. This particular one, this particular Kuu Spa Tumeric salt, I'm not even capping. Tumeric salt scrub, not the rose one or the vitamin C one. This one, people of God, please buy this one. This particular one, try it for like 5 months and come back and tell me that this scrub is not working for you people. It will also brighten your skin. It brightens the skin, like it does that to my skin, to my body. I see the effectiveness of that. Just that I've not seen clearing my dark armpits. That one. Some people will ask, can I use this scrub on my face? My sister, my brother, no. You cannot use this scrub on your face. It is not a face scrub. Please, it is not this is a physical scrub. They call scrubs like this physical scrubs. Physical scrub, which means you can only, even if you see it, as I said, use on your face and your body. Please, I beg you. They even said, when they were saying how to use, they said, when bathing, gently scrub the entire body, or where needed, then rinse. Ideal for use with scrub sponge. The entire body. They did not say the entire face. I see some people use this scrub on their face. Please, even if Taye uses this scrub on his face, it doesn't mean Kehinde can use this scrub on her face. Please, I'm begging you guys, don't try it and come back and tell me, Dami, I have acne on my face. What can I use? The problem is that you people just want to know what to do to clear your problem. You don't want to know the beginning, the reason for that problem. It is only when you know the reason for your problem that you can find a solution to it. So I'm telling you guys, please, don't use it on your face. It is not a face. Get an exfoliant. There are a lot of exfoliants out there that you can use. Alright? If you need anyone, if you want me to recommend anyone for you, please let me know at the comment section. Do not use this scrub on your face. Does this scrub have a side effect? No, it doesn't have a side effect. Just make sure you don't use it on your face. And for a better result, I always use it with my scrub sponge. I have a scrub sponge, that ant sponge. I'll leave a picture of this so you guys can see it. That ant sponge, I use it together with this scrub, and I use it to exfoliate my skin. And another question people will ask is that, can I use this scrub every day? My people, no. Especially for those of you that have sensitive skin, don't use this scrub every day. You can only use this scrub twice in a week, because that's actually how I do my own. If you like, decide to push your own to 3 days, 4 days, and you start having reactions and come back and meet me. I will not answer you. I will not answer you. Just kidding. But seriously, guys, just use it twice in a week. For me, I go for Wednesdays and Saturdays alone. And it is always amazing to use this particular scrub in the middle of your bathing. What do I mean by that? See, don't skip any part in this video. Every part of this video is very important. Now, this is what I do when I'm bathing with this particular scrub. I use a bar soap at the beginning of my bathing so that I can open my pores. That actually helps me to open my pores. Then after that, I use this scrub to bathe. Like I use the scrub basically on my body. The scrub will give you this foamy consistency a little bit, not much, but it will do that. That will help to remove all the dirt that is actually inside your pores because your pores is already open. Then I will now use an exfoliating body wash to sink everything. Does that make sense? When you do it like that, my God, you will come back here and tell me, Damilola, send me your account details. You've made me so happy. Send me your account details. On that note, that is all I have for you guys today. Many more active content. Don't forget to please subscribe to my channel, like my video, turn on post notification, and please share as much as you can. I love you guys. See ya. Bye.